Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Everybody wants to win in their life. Everybody wants to succeed in their life. Everybody have big dreams. It is very easy to get started, but it is very difficult to accomplish it. So here are some success notes. Work hard. Successful people are not gifted. They just work hard and then they succeed on purpose. Dream big. All our dreams can come true if we have the courage to pursue them. Be happy. Be happy not because everything is good, but because you can see the good side of everything. Never give up. Never give up on something you cannot go a day without thinking about. Be positive. A negative mind will never give you a positive life. Believe in yourself. A bird sitting on a tree is never afraid of a branch breaking, because its trust is not on the branch, but on its wings. Thank you for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe.